So today we are starting the introduction to chromosomes. The chromosome is a genetical genetical vector, a large size. A smallest unit of inheritance is called gene. The gene is a present on the DNA. The DNAs are present on the chromatids. The two chromatids are joined to form a linear structure is called a chromosome. The chromosome is a which can carry a parental genetical carrier to daughter generation, which is called a inheritance vehicle. So what is a chromosome? What is the structure? What is the types? First we discussing this today. So this is also called a chromosomes. The chromosome is a centrobot. Centromere either side is a short arm. Short arm is called chromatids. So this chromosome structure, which can seen under the electron microscope, that can be seen over here. What? So this is also. So what exactly is a chromosome? Chromosomes are the rod-shaped. Rod means tubular, linear, filamentous. Filaments means one above the other cells, like filamentous bodies. Presence in the nucleus. The nucleus which can divides into the nucleoplasm, chromatid bodies, nucleolus, and nuclear membranes are there. But chromatin bodies which has chromosomes. Chromosomes are rod-shaped filamentous bodies present in the nucleus, which become visible during cell division. During the cell division, which can be seen in the metaphase or anaphase, two phases during the cell division. They are the carriers of a gene or unit of heredity. So the chromosomes are carries a DNA or gene, or the DNA gene which characters inheritance character. The inheritance character means parental. The parental, vegetative, and also reproductive characters which can carries to the generation to generation. The chromosomes are not visible in active nucleus, not visible in the stages of during the cell division. Active nucleus due to their high water content, active, but are clearly seen during the cell division. But are clearly seen that during the cell division stages. So during the cell division, which can be seen under the electron microscopes. The cell division means mitosis. How many stages of the mitosis? Metaphase, first one prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Four phases are there. The four phases between the two cell division is called which is called the interphase are there. The interphase, growth phase, next one that is also prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. 5 stages or 6 stages, which is important for one stages to other, one division to other division. So they are carries the gene or unit of heredity. Chromosomes are not visible in active nucleus due to their high water content, but are clearly seen during the cell division. So that the nucleoplasm contains the high water content, but it cannot seen under the electron microscopes. But it can seen the only during cell division stages. So this is also which is also present in the stages are there. So this is also DNA molecule and replication of the DNA and chromosomes. which is a important part. So this is a telomere. The terminal part is also called telomere. Central part is called kinetochore. Centromere. Central part kinetochore or centromere are primary construction or sister chromatids. So these are just one basic structure. But here is a clearly seen the telomere. The telomere sequence means the liquid structure. The total inside is also chyling structure, that is called the chromatids. These two chromatids are jointing part is called centromere. So either side the centromere is called pellicle, a fluid-like structures. DNA centromere. So which is also centromeres are there. Which is also centromere. The centromere and also replication of the origin of sequence, DNA sequence. This is also the chromosome. Who invented chromosome? What is the importance of the chromosomes? The chromosomes are first discovered by a Strasburger in 1875. In 1875 was the first scientist. He reported the chromosomes. The term chromosomes, however, was first used by Waldeyer. First identified by the Strasburger. The chromosome name was term was introduced by Waldeyer. Strasburger is the first identified. Waldeyer is a term introduced. They were given the name chromosome. Chromo means color, zome means body, due to their marked affinity for basic dyes. Basic dyes means, so in the basically, which is a staining process. During the staining process, the chromosomes are which can easily seen under electron microscope. Their number can be counted easily only during metaphase. The number which can seen easily under the metaphase or mitotic divisions. The chromosomes are composed of thin chromatin threads called a chromatin. So then either side is a thin chromatin threads are there. Threads, chyling structure. The total chyle is called chromatin fibers. These fibers undergo folding. Folding means chyle to each other. Folding, chyling and superchyling during prophase, so that the chromosome becomes progressively thicker and smaller. The chyles are which totally the threads are chyling to each other, chyled and superchyled to each other to form a thick in nature. That is called chromatids. Therefore, chromosomes become readily observable under light microscopes. Observe under light microscopes. Observed under light microscopes during the cell division. So at the end of the cell division, on the other hand, the fibers uncoil. The fibers means a thread-like structures, uncoiled and extended as fine chromatin threads, which are not visible at light microscopes. Right? So this is also present in the visible and invisible two particles are particles. The invisible particles is not visible. Invisible particle is called fibers uncoiled. Only coiled threads are visible. Uncoiled threads are not visible. The coiled threads are so many types, so many number. Then several threads are coiling to easily visible under microscope. Only single coil is not under the microscopes. So this is also extended as chromatin threads which are not visible. So but is also definition of the chromosomes. What is the means of the definition of the chromosomes? who is invented the chromosomes. The Strasburger is who first reporting, but here chromosome is a commonly two words. Chromo means germs. So the colored thread-like body is present in the nucleoplasm of the living cells, which helps in the inheritance of a characters in the form of genes from generation to generation are known as chromosomes. So this is a number. The chromosome number is also different. Number, size, structure varies from chromosome to chromosome or animal to animal. The number of chromosomes per organism is always a definite number, which is set as diploid. The vegetative cells of chromosomes number is also diploid, means two sets of chromosomes. But gametes, sperms, ovas, etc. carry haploid number chromosomes. Only one set. Gametes, sperm, gametes means the gametes are two types, male gamete and female gamete. The male gamete is called sperm, female gamete is called ova. The male and female gametes both are carries only haploid chromosomes. Then it can be fusion diploid, means fertilization takes place. Some examples are given below. Name of the organism: human beings 46, diploid number of chromosome 46. Cat also 38. Onion 16. Corn 20. That is also diploid number of chromosomes. So, but here is so these chromosomes are what is the character features? What is the parts of the chromosomes are there here? Physical structure. Size varies. The size varies from 1 to 30 microns in length. So this one, first one is to see that. But here, the size varies from 1 to 30 microns in the diameter, 0.2 to 2 microns length. The second one is also called centromeric, the non-stainable part of the chromosome making a primary constructions. The third one is also called chromatids. Then chromonema, in such each chromatid there are two longitudinal chromonema coiled with each other. Chromonema threads. The chromosomes in each chromatid chromonemata there are head-like chromomers present throughout the coil. Head-like chromatids are present. So this is also present in the genes. Each chromosome contains a genes, the unit of inheritance of a characters. Satellites. So in some chromosomes are round and elongated, satellite in presence. Constructions. Presence of centromeres shows the primary constructions, but in some cases there is a additional secondary constructions are there. Primary construction, secondary construction, both are present. Construction means, so it is also size are, the chromatid size is a very small in size. That part is also seen that here. So this is also a physical structure, but here a chemical structure. Chemically the chromosomes are made up of proteins and nucleic acids. The proteins and nucleic acid both are important. The proteins is mainly protamines, stones and smaller amount of acidic proteins. Smaller amount of acidic proteins. Then nucleic acids are, it is a deoxyribonucleic acids, DNA genes are nothing but in the segments of DNA. Nucleic acids. So nucleic for brief notes about DNA structure. Open the hyperlink at the right hand. So this is also link here. Then hyperlink the structure is there. But here commonly proteins, the proteins are the chromosomes are made by the two types proteins and nucleic acids. So these proteins are proteins. The number of chromosomes. Normally all individuals of species have the same number of chromosomes. Closely related species usually have a similar chromosome number. But in the presence of whole sets of chromosomes is called a euploid. Whole set, total set. Euploid. It includes haploids, triplets, tetraploids. Gametes normally contains only one set of chromosomes. This number is called a haploid. Somatic usually contains two sets of chromosomes is called diploid 2n. Whole sets of the chromosome is called euploids. But a 3n triploid, 4n tetraploid. So the condition in which the chromosomes are sets are present in a multiple of polyploids. More than 4 sets of the chromosomes, that is called polyploids. When a change in chromosome number does not involve a entire sets of chromosomes, but only a few of the chromosomes is aneuploids. Aneuploids. The total number of the chromosomes are two sets of chromosomes, but one lakh. One chromosome is called lakh. That is called a monosomic. 2n minus 1. Trisomic means 2n plus 1. Okay? A set of the chromosome plus additionally one chromosomes are there. One, not pair. One. But here monosomic is same. The total number of chromosomes plus minus 1. Example is a human beings 46 chromosomes are there. The total number of chromosomes 46 minus 1. And the total 46 plus 1 means 46. And 45 pairs of chromosomes are there. Plus 1 single. Or 46 pairs, 23 pairs of the chromosome plus 1. That is called trisomic. 23 pairs of chromosomes minus 1. Monosomic. Nullisomic means 2n minus 2. 2 chromosomes, not a set. Tetrasomic means 2n plus 2. So this is also called states of the chromosomes in which means that here is the organisms. Human beings are there. The human beings are 46 chromosomes. We know that. Chimpanzee 48, dog 78, horse 64, chicken 78, goldfish 94, fruit fly 8, mosquito 6, nematodes 11 male, 12 female, horsetail 260, sequoia 22, roundworm 2. That is also number is also different in there. But here organism, onion 16, mold 16, carrot 20, tomato 24, tobacco 48, rice 24, maize 20, Haplopapus gracilla 4. So Crypsis capillaris 6. The chromosome number is also. The number of chromosomes on the extreme roundworm show only 2 chromosomes. That is important. Roundworm. The roundworm extreme is in animals. 2 chromosomes are there. While the other extreme is represented by protozoa having 300 or more chromosomes are there. However, most organisms have number of between 12 to 50, 3 to 8 in fungi, from 8 to 16 in angiosperms. Most common number is also 12. The 12 number of chromosomes are many animals, many plants, but structurally different. But number is similar, structurally, functionally different. That is also 12. The 8. The chromosome size, the contents, the contrast of the other cell organelles The size of chromosomes show a remarkable variation depends upon the stages of cell division. Stages. During the stages interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, which are different in size. Interphase chromosomes are longest and thinnest interphase. But prophase there is a progressive decrease in their length accompanied with a increase in thickness. So then the interphase is a increase or longest thread-like structure. But anaphase chromosomes are smallest. Metaphase chromosomes are the most easily observed and studied during the metaphase when they are very thick. The metaphase, their chromosomes are very thick, easily observed under electron microscopes or microscopes. But is called thick. Other stages are thin. Thin is not possible to identification of the size or structure. Observed and studied during the metaphase when they are very thick, quite in a short, and as a spread in the cell, that is metaphase. Therefore, chromosomes or measurements are generally taken during the mitotic metaphase. Only mitotic metaphase is a suitable stage for identification of structure of chromosomes. Means it is a thick in size, small length, thick and small in length, that easily observed into the mitotic metaphase only, not meiotic metaphase. That this is also one important chromosome size. Then the size of the chromosome in mitotic phase or animal and plant species generally varies. Animal mitotic phase, plants mitotic phase, which are size also different. 0.5 micron and 32 microns in length, and between 0.2 micron and 3.0 micron in diameter. In plants, the longest metaphase chromosome found in a trillium, 32 microns. The length is also, trillium plant is also more length. The gained chromosome found in a diphtheria, and they may be as long as 300 microns up to 10 microns in diameter. 300 micron length and 10 microns are diameter, which is also gained big size, which are present in the diphtheria larva insects. In general, plants have longer chromosomes than animals. In plant kingdom, all plants, the chromosome size number different, but size is a more than animals, high in animals. The plants have longer chromosomes than animals, and species have lower chromosome number have long chromosomes than those have higher chromosome number. Among plants, dicot in general have a higher number chromosomes than monocot. Higher number dicot plants have high number of chromosomes than monocot. The chromosomes are longer in monocot than dicot. The monocot plants having chromosomes are longer than less number, but dicot is called smaller than more number, higher number. That is also different. So then karyotype. In order to understand chromosomes and their function, in order to understand the chromosome, their function, we need to be able to discriminate among different chromosomes. First, chromosome different generally in size. Now, orderly, the chromosome size function is different, various. Between organisms, the size difference can be over 100-fold, while within a species, some chromosomes are often 10 times as large as others. 10 times are larger than others. In a species karyotype, a pictorial or a photographic representation of all the different chromosomes in a cell of an individual. Chromosomes are usually ordered by size and number from longer to smallest, that is called karyotype. This is also karyotype. Can distinguish chromosomes by painting using DNA hybridization plus fluorescent phobes during metasis is called karyotype. First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. How many sets are for the total? 22 pairs of the chromosomes are here, but 23 lo X and Y are different. That is called a man. The number of chromosomes die and schematically, graphically showing the karyotype is called a man number of chromosomes are there. Karyotype or ideogram. Karyotype is generally morphology of somatic chromosomes, generally karyotypes, represented by arrangement in descending order of size. Arrangement is also descending order, keeping their centromeres in a straight lines. All the orderly descending. But ideotypes means the karyotype of species may be represented diagrammatically, pictorially, showing all the morphological features of the chromosomes. Such a diagram is known as ideotype. Karyotype means somatic means శాఖీయ క్రోమోజోమ్ యొక్క సాధారణ పద నిర్మాణం. కార్యోటైప్ యొక్క సెంట్రోమియర్ సరళ రేఖలు ఉంచిన పరిమితి యొక్క అవరోహణ క్రమంలో అమర్చబడడం ద్వారా సూచిస్తుంది. ఈడియోటైప్ మీన్స్ ఒక జాతి యొక్క కార్యోటైప్ రేఖా చిత్రాలు సూచించవచ్చు. ఈ క్రోమోజోమ్ యొక్క అన్ని పద నిర్మాణ లక్షణాలు చూపుతుంది. అటువంటి రేఖా చిత్రాన్ని ఈడియోటైప్ అంటారు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో కార్యోటైప్. But the chromosomes may differ in the position of the centromeres. The place on the chromosome where spindle fibers are attached during division. In general, if the centromere is near the middle, the chromosome is metacentric. If the centromere towards the end, the chromosome is acrocentric. Okay? So depending on the centromere, the chromosomes are which can classify the four types: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, telocentric. The centromere is near the end, the chromosome is telocentric. So this is also, the structure is also there: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, telocentric. The metacentric means what is the character features? In the metacentric, the chromosomes are there. The types of the chromosomes. Here is also telocentric there. Here is also called the centromere is, where is that short arm? Centromeres, long. Centromere is a short arm. The types of the chromosome telocentric. So but here is called acrocentric. First one metacentric is also telocentric here there. Then second one is also here. So this is also types of the chromosomes. Telocentric and acrocentric both are there. The second one, submetacentric, but here is called metacentric, last one. So there is a centromere is a not at the middle position of the chromosome. So arms are equal and is a L-shaped in appearance. That is called submetacentric. Metacentric means the centromere is at the middle position. So the arms are equal and it is a V-shaped in appearance. That is called metacentric. So metacentric, acrocentric, telocentric, 4 types of the chromosomes are there. The centromeres are divided the chromosomes into 2 arms. So that, for example, an acrocentric chromosome has a short and long, while the metacentric chromosome has arms are equal length. All of most chromosomes are telocentric, while women chromosomes are includes both metacentric and acrocentric, but no telocentric. Being said, all chromosomes are meta and acro, not telo. That is. So, but here is the chromosomes are there. Number of metacentric, number of acrocentric, number of telocentric. So, in the man, cat 38 metacentric low. The total chromosomes are 38 low, metacentric 16, acrocentric 2, and also called a telocentric male. Then also dog 78, metacentric chromosomes are not there yet. All is acrocentric. But pig 38, metacentric 12, 6 acrocentric. Go to 60. 60 chromosomes are total number, but metacentrics are absent. 29 is also acrocentric, remaining telocentric. And also called sheep 54, 3 number is a metacentric, but here 23 is also acrocentric. Cow 60, metacentric 0, R29 acrocentric, ours is also 64, 13, also 18, but this is also satellite, where the DNA in a prokaryotes such as the Escherichia coli is isolated fragments and centrifuged to equilibrium in a cesium chloride. Centrifuge cesium chloride is a which substances, but the chromosomes are it can be densely gradient. The DNA usually form a single bond in the gradient, that is called satellite. So on the other hand, cesium chloride densely gradient analysis of DNA from eukaryotes usually reveals the presence of one large band of DNA, usually called a main band, and one of several small bands. These small bands are referred to as a satellite. Larger band and small band. The small band is refers to satellite DNA. For example, in a Drosophila virus, commonly there is a. So this is the remedy. So then the chromosomes are workingly also called darkness, which divides the two types, euchromatic and heterochromatin. Euchromatin. What is the meaning of euchromatin? The chromosome may be identified by regions that stain in a particular manner. When treated with various chemicals, several different chemical techniques are used to identify certain chromosomal regions by staining them so that they form a chromated bands or bands. Chromosome bands are appears. For example, darker bands are generally found near the centromeres. After staining, the chromosomes are darker bands are seen. The darker bands are near to the centromere. The telomeres, the chromosomes which other region do not stain as strongly. The position of dark staining are called heterochromatin region or heterochromatin. Light staining are called euchromatin. Light staining, dark staining. The dark staining means the chromosomes are when they stained near the centromere part, dark or black color patches are appears. Thus, black color patches is called heterochromatin part. The total heterochromatin. And sometimes the patches are not appears light. That is called euchromatin. So heterochromatin is classified into the two groups, constructive and facultative. The constructive heterochromatin remains permanently in the heterochromatin stage. It does not reveal that euchromatin. In contrast to faculty, heterochromatin consists of euchromatin, that is, on the staining and compressive character. Heterochromatin during some phases of development. The facultative and constructive. The constructive are permanently in the heterochromatic stage. Permanently, not change the dark in color. But facultative, it can be changes. So, no only genotypes eukaryotes are more complex than prokaryotes, but the DNA of eukaryote cell is also organized different from that of prokaryote cells. The genomes of prokaryotes are contained in single chromosomes, which are usually circular DNA molecules. So then, the contrast of the genomes of eukaryotes are composed of multiple chromosomes, each chromatin a linear molecules DNA. So this is all through number and size of the chromosome vary considerably between different species, base structure, organism. So Arabidopsis 70 genomes are size, and also chromosome number 5. Corn 5010, onion 158, lily 50,012, fruit fly 165, chicken 50,000 genome size but 39, mouse 1220, cow 3030, human 3023, that is our size. The DNA eukaryotic cell is highly tightly bound to the small bases of proteins or histones that package the DNA is an orderly way to the cell nucleus. This task is sustainable necessary given the DNA content of the most eukaryotes. For example, total extended length of DNA in human cell is near 2 meters, totally extended part. But this must be fit into the nucleus with a diameter of only 5 to 10 microns. All through DNA packaging is also a problem in bacteria. The mechanism by which prokaryotic DNA are packaged to appear. So, but here is got a prokaryotic cell chromosomes. The prokaryotes are usually have only one chromosomes. It bears a little morphological resemblance to eukaryote. Only one. The total one chromosomes are present in the nucleide, not nucleus. Among prokaryotes, there is a considerable variation in genome length and bearing genes. The number of genes, the length of the chromosomes are differs in different microbes or bacteria. All bacteria are not the same size of chromosomes, but only single. But here size is different. Or number of chromosome, number of genes is also different. The genome length is smallest in RNA. So in this case, the organism is provided with only a few genes in the chromosomes. The number of genes may be as high as 150. Some larger bacteriophage genomes. Only bacteriophage genomes is 150 genes are present. But at each ratio about 3000 to 4000 genes are organized into its circular chromosomes. The chromosome exists as highly folded and chiral structure dispersed throughout the cell. The folded nature of chromosomes is due to the incorporation of RNA and DNA. So, but there are about 50 loops of the chromosomes are Escherichia. These loops are highly twisted or superchiral structure with about 4 million nucleotide pairs. Its molecular weight is about 2.8 to 10 to the power of 9. During replication of DNA, the chiling must be relaxed. DNA guides and necessary for the unguides are present. But here is called bacterial chromosomes. Here is a single circular DNA molecules located in the nucleide regions. But here superchiral. Superchiral means which is also relaxated. The chromosomes, only single chromosomes in chromatids are chiled. Several several times of chiroids are each other. That is superchiroid, but it is called helix twisted or itself, right? But it's got helix twisted and itself on the opposite direction twisted in the left. That are most common type of a superchiroid. So this is a mechanism of a superchiroid bacteria. Called superchiroid and a bacterial chromosomes. But here it is. So this is also complete of my topic. Introduction to chromosomes.